Several hundred Palestinians were killed in an airstrike at a hospital in Gaza, according to the Gaza Health Ministry. There were wounded people at the hospital and others seeking shelter. Video shows ambulances arriving with people, including children, at another hospital nearby. The total number of people killed or injured is unclear. Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas is calling for 3 days of mourning. The airstrike happened in Gaza, which is controlled by Hamas, not the Palestinian Authority.
We, as Arab group, as you see, all of us, united, outraged by this massacre that has taken place, committed by the Israeli forces against a hospital, the Lutheran hospital, in the Gaza Strip, in which, according to the initial figures, about 500 civilians have been torn apart and massacred in this outrageous, illegal crime committed by the Israeli forces against our people in the Gaza Strip.
I can confirm that an analysis of the IDF operational systems indicates that a barrage of rockets was fired by terrorists in Gaza, passing in close proximity to the Al-Ahli al-Ma'adi hospital in Gaza at the time it was hit. Intelligence from few sources that we have in our hands indicates that the Islamic Jihad is responsible for the failed rocket launch which hit the hospital in Gaza. I repeat, this is the responsibility of Islamic Jihad that killed innocents in the hospital in Gaza.
WHO strongly condemns the attack on Al-Ahli Arab Hospital in the north of the Gaza Strip. The hospital was operational with patients, healthcare givers, and internally displaced people sheltering there. Early reports indicate hundreds of fatalities and injuries. The hospital was one of 20 in the north of the Gaza Strip, facing evacuation orders from the Israeli military.
It is absolutely clear to all sides of this conflict where the health facilities are. It is absolutely clear. Healthcare is not a target. It should never be a target of anyone in conflict. That is enshrined in international humanitarian law. And we're seeing this breached again and again and again over the last week. And it has to stop. It must stop. We cannot leave doctors and nurses to make the choices they're having to make. It is inhuman.
The news coming out of Gaza is horrific and absolutely unacceptable. International humanitarian and international law needs to be respected in this and in all cases. There are rules around wars, and it's not acceptable.